This is the vertex form, and the way we do that is we need to complete the square. And before you complete this, the first rule for completing the square is your leading coefficient has to be a positive 1. So what we need to do is factor a -1 out of only the first two terms. So it would give you a positive x squared minus a 4x. And I'm going to leave me some room there. And there's a minus, bring down the minus 13. So now let's complete the square. And to complete the square, the formula is 1/2 times your b quantity squared. So you're going to add 1/2 times b, and your b is a -4. 1/2 times b quantity squared. So let me do that. Then we're going to have to do something else on this line, but let me show you something first. So this is negative x squared minus 4x. 1/2 of 4, or -4, is -2 squared is 4. All right, so you think you've added a 4, but you've got a minus sign out in front, so what you've really done is subtracted 4. And to counteract subtracting 4, you need to add 4. Okay, let's go through that again. It looks like you've added a 4 to this equation, but you haven't. Anytime you have to factor something out to start with, you have to multiply through to see what you've actually done. So -1 times positive 4 is a -4. And then to counteract that, I've added a 4. So this is negative x minus 2 squared plus 4, and I had that minus 13. So 4 minus 13 is, let me erase this right there, is a -9. So it wanted, let me turn my computer screen back on. Well, the vertex then is 2, -9. Remember, it's always the opposite of what's right there.